Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. And today I'm finally gonna do my hair series, my hair care videos. And today's video is all about the products and tools I use for my hair. I'm also gonna do another video where I make my damaged, not so healthy hair look pretty nice and healthy. So if you're gonna wait a little bit more, you're gonna get a styling video as well. But today we're just gonna talk about all the products I use to maintain my hair health, or to get my hair to essentially a better health than it is right now, because my hair is not as healthy as it looks like. I'm being honest. But you still wanted to know, so I'm here to serve. Okay, the first products I want to talk about are the Maui Moisture hair care products. I use the conditioner and the shampoo, and this has a lot of ingredients that are really good for dry hair. So a little bit background information about my hair first. I have dry and damaged hair, I would say, and it's for dry and damaged hair. Huh. And yeah, if you dye your hair a lot, you probably have this as well. So I do recommend this. I'm sorry for all the background noises, oh my god. So I used this for a while now and I really like it. My hair probably needed like a week to get used to it because of all the moisture my hair suddenly gets. But yeah, inside are shea butter, coconut oil and macadamia oil. And yeah, I actually used half of it already, and I'm probably gonna buy this again. I got this from Amazon. It was a little bit on the pricey side, I think, so yeah, keep that in mind. Some of the products I have are a little bit more pricey. Then for the conditioner, I'm gonna wait for the conditioner to do its magic on my hair. I used my first tool. It's this one right here, and this is actually a scalp massaging tool. And yeah, if you have a dry scalp like me, you probably need this as well. I don't know, I think this really helps my scalp to clear up, because usually people don't really take care of their scalps, only like hair care but not scalp care. So I think this is pretty helpful for me, at least, and I really feel like it's getting really clean, you know. And this also helps actually with hair growth. I think you have to do it more often if you want it to help with your hair growth, I think. I only wash my hair like twice a week or once a week, so probably my hair don't really like grows from it. But if you use it on a regular basis, I do think this can help you to grow your hair longer. And I got this from Amazon as well. I think this is like 10 bucks or 8 bucks. Yeah, something around that. Next is a hair mask. This is from Redken, the Extreme Strength Builder Plus hair mask, and this is the only hair mask I use because my hair gets like super soft from it and all the frizz is gone. I use this like maybe once or twice a month. I wanted to use it more often, but this is expensive and I'm lazy. So yeah, but this is almost empty, so I kind of have to get a new one. If you do have masks that reminds you of this one, please let me know, because this is pricey as well. But I do really like it. I leave it on for a few hours, not overnight, just for like 4 or 5 hours, and wash it out. Then for hair protection, you have to protect your hair. I use whatever I came across, and this time it was the Loreal one. Yeah, and this is also not only for heat protection, it's also frizz protection. To be honest, I'm not quite sure if it really helps with frizz, but sometimes I just use it because if it's humid outside, my hair gets like really frizzy and I don't like it. But I'm not sure if it helps, but nevertheless, you have to use heat protection. So I use this one, but be careful. Your floor might get really slippy afterwards. And then we go to hair oils and all that good stuff that actually makes your hair look shiny, because I mean, the stuff I showed you before, it's nice for your health, hair health, but to make it look nice, now we get to the point. So if I just leave my hair straight, or yeah, I don't do anything with it basically, I like to use this one from Wella, the Deluxe Ultimative Styling and Protection Oil for dry hair. Yeah, I just use this all over my hair basically. There's nothing I can really say about this. It's kind of new, I think, and it's really lightweight, which I really like, because sometimes oils are just like heavy and look greasy, but I like this one. Next product, Holy Grail. Holy Grail, love it. My friend actually recommended me this one because she also had like bleached hair, damaged, and her hair, English, looked so good. So yeah, this one it is. It's a Chi Silk Infusion product. This is also pretty pricey, but this product, I love it so much. I put a little bit on the top of my hair to like get all the frizz and baby hair down, and then I take a little bit more and scrunch my hair, and it looks so good. And last product is from Korea. I have no idea how to pronounce it. I'm not even trying because the English and the Korean name doesn't match at all in my opinion. But yeah, it's a pretty famous brand in Korea. It's the Perfect Serum styling one, and I like to use this sometimes as well, like either this one or this one. And yeah, this is basically all I use, and I use this one the exact same way as this one. So that's it for all my hair products, I think. So I hope I could help you with that. And yeah, I'm looking forward to do more videos about my hair, and I hope you guys looking forward to it as well. Hope you enjoyed this video, and then see you guys in my next one. Bye!